What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Digivest channel. It's Alex, and today I'm going over Dogechain and one of the best projects I believe that Dogechain has to offer, and that's called Omnom, Doge Eat Doge. I've actually went over this project a few months ago when it had a little bit of a pump, and now all it's been doing is coming down, just like Dogechain. And a lot of people are overlooking Dogechain as a platform and as an ecosystem. And I believe that Dogechain is going to be one of the big winners come the next bull run. And Omnom is actually a Dogechain meme coin, one of the first Dogechain meme coins, and it has the highest holder count out of any Dogechain meme coin. So we're going to go over those today. So looking at Doge Eat Doge here, it's up a little bit. I mean, it's pretty much 0% for the day. If you look at the all-time chart, this is the all-time chart. So we're essentially touching the ground on the all-time chart. The market cap, it's not showing the market cap here correctly. The volumes are on 43,000, and the fully diluted is 773,000. So this is a micro cap, all right? It's not even a million fully diluted right now. And I'm going to show you what the actual market cap is in just a second. No other platforms are actually showing the market cap correctly on this token, but I'll show you how to calculate that yourself. And so let's go into, so yeah, looking at the 7-day, even the monthly chart here. So we had a little bit of a bottom here, and it looks like it's bottomed around this 700 area. We had a nice little spike up from that yesterday, I believe it was. So we're going to see if it comes down a little bit further, maybe. You never know with these tokens. They could come down more, but eventually they're going to have a huge rip. Just like it had one here in April, the beginning of April, had a nice rip. And also another one here back in October and November as well. So keep an eye out on this token, you guys. This token is no joke. Doge Eat Doge, Omnom. A lot of people aren't talking about it. It's only about 744 watch lists, but people are gonna wish they got into this token when the next bull run comes around because Dogechain is gonna be impressive, very impressive. Looking at the markets right now, it's listed on MXC Global and on Doge Swap. So Doge Swap is currently down, as far as I know. It hasn't been working in a while, but the team over at Omnom, they actually developed their own swap that you can access it through their Twitter account. So if you go to their Twitter, this is the link right here, the Omnom swap that they developed back in April. So this is where you want to be trading Omnom if you have a wrapped Doge on like a MetaMask or any sort of private wallet, right? Also MXC. I heard rumors that they were going to take Omnom off MXC, so we'll see what happens with that. But I'm not really too worried. Eventually, they're gonna list it again once Dogechain pops off. Because right now, Dogechain is sleeping. It hasn't been doing much. People are overlooking it. If you look here, this is the Dogechain chart here. Again, the daily's down, 7-day, sort of up. I've been 14% up on the 7-day. A month it's down 21%. In a year, it's just been stagnant. It's kind of trading sideways. But look, 13 million market cap for a Dogechain layer 2. Or Dogecoin layer 2, pardon me. 13 million market cap. Like, this is nothing. This can absolutely skyrocket soon. If you look at then, and you see, like, if you look at the comments here on the side, everybody's bearish. That's when you know when to buy, right? Once you see bearish comments, that's when you know the buy signal is here, right? That's the way I look at it, at least. So anyway, look, this is the Dogechain Explorer, and this is the Doge Eat Doge contract address. Okay, 23,125 addresses. This is huge. Massive holder count for this token, and that's why I'm really bullish on this token. It's because of this massive holder account. And if you look at the token holders, so 69% of the supply, this is Vitalik Buterin's wallet that they sent it to. So it's a locked, dead wallet. Doge Swap V2, so this is the Doge Swap V2 allocation. So it's around 3.77%. We could call it 4% just to be clean about it. All right, so that's essentially 73%. Okay, that is allocated and locked. To find the market cap for this project, what you would do is we would take the fully diluted market cap, so 774, and we would essentially times it by 27% because 27% is the difference between 100 and 73 because 73% of those tokens, the Vitalik Buterin's wallet, and the Doge swap allocation, those are locked and burned essentially. So only 27% of the supply remains in circulation. So 27, all right? Remember that number. So 774,000 is the fully diluted. We would times this by 0.27, and we have around 200,000 is the market cap for this project. 200,000, that's it. That is an extremely low number. This could easily 10x in the blink of an eye once we get more volume. And the volume has been coming in, in the past. If you look at the chart, right? Like they had huge volume in the past. Like even this last wick in April, that had about like around $200,000 in volume, just like that, in the blink of an eye, right? So keep an eye out on this token, you guys. 200,000 market cap is a joke. I mean, it could even go lower if MXC delist this token. It could go even lower than that. So just make sure that, this is not financial advice at all. Just be careful with your money. Don't invest anything that we talk about. This is just for entertainment purposes. And, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think of Dogechain and Omnom. And this is I'm just showing you guys the trading view chart for Omnom here. Doge Eat Doge. And the last time it had a huge pump, it pumped from this area here around 105 all the way up to about 350, all right? And so that was essentially, if we calculate that, it's not going to show the percentage because of how many zeros it has, and I don't know what's going on really with the weekly RSI or the Stoke. It seems to be a little bit broken. Not sure if you guys know what's going on. Let me know. But as you can tell, that weekly must be incredibly low on the weekly Stoke RSI, so that is extremely bullish for Omnom currently. And this is a very, very risky play. So this could totally die out and go to zero tomorrow. So just keep that into consideration. It's extremely low right now, and the risk to reward is pretty good right now. It looks like we're sort of in a falling wedge pattern ever since around the beginning of May. And the next levels I'd be looking at for sure would be this 900 level, 900. Also this level here at 111, 115, and then 130. All right, so if we can get past one of these, it would be much more bullish. Currently, we're still in this falling wedge, but we could break out at any moment. We're nearing the end of this wedge, and I would expect a massive green candle coming out after we break out of this wedge. So, just we'll have to wait and see what happens. Just be patient. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the meme coins that we're going to be talking about. We're going to be bringing you a lot new meme coins in the future, and we're also going to be talking about this coin. So, like the video, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Cheers.